Finally found a cough syrup that actually lets my 4-year-old sleep through the night without keeping the whole house awake. Cough and Cold's nighttime formula has chamomile that helps kids drift off naturally, while the daytime version keeps them alert for play. It's alcohol-free and sucrose-free with real honey and elderberry that Canadian parents trust. My whole family finally gets the rest we need. Get Cough and Cold day and night formulas today and give your family the relief they deserve.